Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Klarna on Ticketmaster. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Ticketmaster and then log in. If you have a Ticketmaster account, you can log into that account, and then once that's done, so what you need to do, make a booking. So just choose whatever event that you want to and going to purchase. So for example here I'll just choose this. I'm going to add this ticket. Okay, so what are you going to do? I'm going to choose that. Okay, and then choose your seating here. So I'm just going to go and choose this. That's fine. Okay, let me select it and then hit on next. So I'm going to get to the next page here. Alright, and then once this confirms the availability, so if you go to your next page where you're going to plug in the details of your ticket and then the payment option. So here when you get to the checkout page here, so here if you want to pay using Klarna, then you should see Klarna option as one of your payment method only if your region supports Klarna, because not everywhere Klarna is every place, like all the places supports Klarna. Only certain region accepts Klarna, so you're going to make sure that Klarna is acceptable in your region and also to the event that you are booking, because some organizers events, they don't accept Klarna as well. So in that case you won't be able to see the Klarna option. So apart from that, so if you're going to get to this checkout page here, so for example when you get to the payment section here you should see if your Klarna is supported, you will see the different types of payment option here. So for example in my region I have Venmo and GPay accepted, so I don't have Klarna unfortunately. But if your region supports, then you will see Klarna option, so you can choose that and then complete this transaction. So not all regions supports Klarna, so just keep that in mind, and I hope this information was helpful. I'll see you in another video.